night walk at the beach. So we made some spaghetti earlier, and somehow we wanted to burn all the fats and carbs that we consumed earlier. So here we are. We're just walking by the beach. We're trying to actually look for curious items, you know, sort of foraging all around. So let's check what we got. So we actually didn't find the so-called mutya ng uli-uli, but this one I picked this up because it's smooth and white, and this can serve as paperweight. And where's the boomerang? My son found this boomerang shaped stone. This one is really peculiar, so I picked it up. Maybe I could turn this into something. A pendant, perhaps. We will see. What else? Well, this one's kind of peculiar. What else? This. Not really. This one. In lieu of the mutya ng uli-uli, I picked this up. I really hope that we would also find shark tooth. I like this stuff that's here in my bracelet. So there, some curious items that we found. This one too, and this one is we usually find this item here, but usually white, but this one is black, so this one is white. This is what you usually find. Alright, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thanks for watching.